The best song of all time is the one I danced with you. Hear this poem I wrote for you. The best song of all time was the slow jam we danced to when we first met. Even though we had two left feet and the world around us seemed to forget. The bass thumped like my heartbeat, your hand slipped into mine, and in that imperfect rhythm, I knew your soul was mine. We laughed at our missteps, at the clumsy turns and spins. Yet every stumble felt like magic, every moment where love begins. Time moved like waves, sometimes gentle, sometimes wild, but every song we've danced to always remind me you are my melody, my harmony, my style. Through storms, through silence, through laughter and tears, I hear the rhythm of you playing softly in my ears. Even when the music fades, even when the crowd is gone, the beat of your heart keeps playing my favorite song. So let's dance again. Two left feet, no cares, because every song I hear in life always finds you there.